guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this iron curler. So I bought this from Shopee, so i-unbox natin, then later on ita-try natin kung okay siya. So ito unboxing. This is the cordless automatic curler. So, ang napili kong color is different from that of the picture. This color, the black and pink. They have also the pink one, and the one that I've chosen was this one. So let's unbox this. So it comes with this manual. So it's all in English, and then this one. So it comes with a pouch, and then you can bring this anywhere pagka lobat, saksak nyo lang sa car mo and you're out. So ito yung napili kong color, the white with rose gold yung sa sides niya. Actually, it looks elegant with this color. So this one. I read here that this actually weighs around 400 grams. Actually, this is magaan na for an iron curler. So, ito siya guys. And then, yung ibang laman niya is, of course, we have here the cable, the output, and this one, the input cable is actually a C-type cable. And then, also comes with this comb, so where you can section your hair. So this is very useful. And last is they have also free clips. You can also use this as a power bank. This is a 2-in-1 wireless automatic hair curler. So if you can bring this anywhere with you with, low battery yung cellphone mo, so you can try charging here, but you might wanna bring also your own cable if you want to use this as a power bank. Working time is 1 hour yung working time. So, after 1 hour, malalabat na siya. If you use the settings, the 180-degree settings for the temperature, so this would last for an hour, but we will try this. So, before you use this, you have to charge it for 3 hours muna. Here's the output and the input for the cable. So, I'll try to curl some of my hair to see the different curls it will make. Actually, it will give us 3 kinds of curls. That's what I've read dun sa ad nila. So, it can give you slight curls or beachy waves. It could also give you soft curls. And lastly, I forgot. The powerful or strong curls. So, it will depend on the settings, the temperature setting and the time. So, let's try to open this up. So, you have to press this power mode button for at least 2 seconds. Hold press it. And then you hear that beep. Then, hindi siya kita sa monitor, pero it will display the LCD where you can see the time, the temperature, the battery life, and the direction of the curls. So the default setting would be left curls, 180 degrees Celsius, and then the time would be 12 seconds. So we'll try to use this one, and we'll see what would the curls look like. So let's go ahead and try this. So first we'll have 2 comb our hair first. Make sure that there are no tangles because pag hindi nyo siya sinaklay ng maayos, magsa-stuck siya doon sa curling chamber. So, magbubuhol siya doon. You don't want that to happen, so might as well you have to comb your hair properly and section it properly. So since this is only for demo purposes, I'll just go ahead and try to curl some of it. That way you will see how the curls would look like with that setting. So make sure yung hair nyo, yung kakasya lang siya sa curling chamber because you will put that inside here, so we don't wanna have some extra hairs. So place that here, and then if you want the curls just down here, then you should position it lower, but me, I want to curl it. I want to curl this up to here as much as possible. So we have to press this, press this start button. You can hear the sound, diba? Parang, ayun, nag-beep siya. Once you hear the first beep, pwede nyo na i-release tong button na to. So, you just have to wait for the time. So, when you hear that continuous beeping, it means that the curling is finished. So, you can pull it away from your hair. So this would be the hair, the result. Ito siya. Yan yung mabibigay ng curls for that specific setting. Let's try again to curl one more, and then we'll use a different setting later. So yung beep pala na naririnig nyo, kung ilang beep yung marinig nyo, yun yung time na sinet nyo. So if you adjusted for like this one, 12 seconds. So, 12 beeps din ang maririnig nyo before yung maririnig yung continuous beeping, which means natapos na yung curling process. So, you have to draw your hair sa curling chamber by pressing this, holding this first, until you hear the first beep, you may release this one. So, draw muna natin yung hair. Pag nag-beep, pwede nyo na siyang bitawan. Okay. So, yung beep, yun yung timer niya. Kung ilang beep, yun yung seconds na napili nyo sa settings. So, this is 12 seconds for my setting. So, just pull it out. So, that's it. So, that's the curl. We'll try, but I used a different setting, yung pinakamababang temp, which is 150 degrees Celsius, right in direction ng curls, and then the time is 8 seconds. So you have to. So first beep, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds, and continuous beep. Type ng curl niya. So, this is a beachy type of waves or curls. So, ito yung loose curls lang. Ito, soft curls to. So, try pa natin yung curl. Actually, pag naiwan nyo siyang naka-on, nag-automatic turn off naman ito. Okay. Hold on. So, that's it. So, yan yung curls niya. Actually, may isang type of curls pa for a different setting. But, I'll just go ahead and do a different video for that. So, let's try to comb it. Or, I'll just go ahead and comb it using my fingers. So this is the soft curls, as you can see. So the settings that I used here is the default setting, so this will just give you soft curls. Okay, so for this one, this will give you a loose type of curls. So this one is loose curls and soft curls. So what do you think? So that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching this video. So I hope you like this video. You do have a good day. Bye bye.